go, folks. 60-cent bet cash explosion. My buddy's been telling me to play this, so I figured I'd give it a try and see what happens. 20 cents. And nothing. I'm assuming the Chiefs are the high payout ones. Let's see here. And nothing. And you need 3 TPs to start the bonus. And a multiplier. Nice. Father Kind Aces, $1.20. Nothing. And nothing. Wrong side, TPs. Come on. Yeah, I want to see the. I heard about the bonus on this. I heard it retriggers a lot. I'm curious to see what happens. Come on. All right. Oh, $2. Nah. All right. All right. Down half our money already. Something better happen soon, or we're going to be done here real quick. Come on, TPs. Nah. Anything? Wake up in there. There we go. Ooh, 20 cents. A few more spins left. Come on. You got to make something happen here. Don't let me down. This ain't looking good. Ah. Now it's trolling me. What do we got? Multiplier 5 times. $1.75. Woohoo! Nothing. Come on. At least got 10 more spins left. Once again, TV's wrong side of the screen. Come on. Come on, do it. Oh, well. Doesn't look good. Looks like we're about to be done here in a second. Unreal. Oh, well. Guess we'll move on to the next machine. This one did not pan out. Nothing. Look at that. Huh. Unreal. Oh, on. Actually, next. Oh, hit it. 4 of them. Nice. Oh, I gave up hope there for a minute. That's only on 60-cent bet, though. So we'll see what happens. $6 for the bonus trigger. Alright. Oh, we get the pick here. Do that. Oh, 8 times multiplier. That'd be nice. Hopefully we get something to line up. 25 games. 5 times. What we got? Wolves. Alright, we're already 10 times our bet. Good start. Assume there's going to be a lot of dead spins with all the free games. Oh, got it again. Retrigger. How many is that going to be? $6. I'll take that. All right. Well, good start. Yeah. I know. Push the button. Why does it still say 25 games? I thought that was a retrigger. Oh, look at it. Oh, what was that TNT? I wonder if that's the progressive. Maybe they weren't retriggers. It's still showing 25 games. Huh. 3 times. 1460. Ten spins left. Come on. Don't die on me now. Feature Retrigger. Why does it still say 25 spins? Oh, I see what it's doing. Don't tell me it's going to give me another 25 spins times 2. Oh, that would be crazy. That's what I think exactly what's going to do. Huh. Hope I got enough battery for this. We might be here for a little while. Alright. 4 spins left. Come on. And nothing. Alright, let's see if I'm right here. Yes, you get to pick again. That's exactly what it's going to do. Nice. Alright, go back to 25. Yeah, we'll do 25. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Come on. Well, we got 10s with 5 multiplier. Yeah, I wonder what that TNT is. I think it's a progressive. I like these multipliers. Just need something to line up good. Come on. Can I use more retriggers? 3 times. Come on. Come on, Chiefs. More TPs too. Oh, I thought I was going to do it again. That's a lot of free games for a retrigger. 8 times multiplier. $4.80. Hey, for a 60-cent bet, you can't go wrong. You can't complain. Still got a lot of spins left. Come on. There's got to be a lot of dead spins. It can't be a win every spin. There's too many spins. Nothing. Ooh. 3 times. 75 cents, 30 cents. Come on, Chief. Where you at? Come on. Oh, that would be a nice way to multiplier. Nothing. 3 times, queens. $1.80. I'm lucky for the multipliers. These things wouldn't be paying nothing. Come on. Don't troll me like that. 3 spins left. 3 times. That really just paid me 30 cents? 20 cents? Last spin. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's see. 25, I guess we'll go there. Yeah, pretty cool bonus so far. I'm liking it. See if we get another retrigger. That'd be sweet. 8 times. What do we got? Aces. For a whopping $1.60. Nothing. Nothing. Look at these TPs all over the place. Oh, a bunch of dead spins now. Nothing. Come on, don't die now. You're doing so good. Wow. Oh, it did it again. That's another 25. So that's what? 25, 50, 75 free spins so far. But all the dead spins though. Wow. Nothing. Wow. Come on, Chief. Come on, TPs. Oh, we got queens. Eight times. 240 for queens. That's it. Oh, I thought it was going to do it again. Nothing. Aces. No multiplier, though. Nothing. Last spin. Man, my hand gets tired holding this camera here. Let's go, yeah, we'll try it one more time. Should probably win it with the higher multiplier, but... So that's what, 100 free games now. Wow. And 3 times. Hey, I'll take it all. It's all profit, so... Oh, I thought I was going to do it again. And again! What the hell is going on here? Oh. Much credit to the guys shooting the videos on YouTube. Getting tired just holding his camera. Nines. No multiplier though. What we got there? Ooh, 75 cents. Alright, it's all profit, so not going to complain. Come on. There's no way this is going to retrigger again. Come on. Yeah, a little hit. 5 cents. Come on. I want those Chiefs with the multiplier. Come on. 10s with 5. 360. Multiplier 5 times. 75 cents. Oh, I thought I was going to do it again. Come on, can we get another retrigger? Oh, we still got another bonus round left. I hope my battery doesn't die on me here. Come on. Nothing. Last one. All right. Yeah. 15. Yeah, we'll go 15. Sorry, folks. I gotta make sure I get all this in before my battery dies. I wasn't expecting this long of a bonus. Come on, now we need something good. We need the big multipliers. 10 times, okay. 10s. Ooh, 50 cents. Come on. Grand finale here. Do something good. Make it pop. See a coin show or something. 15 times. $9. Okay. Take that. I'll take aces all day long. Come on. That 15-time multiplier? Come on. It'd be nice if we get another retrigger, but, you know, I can't complain what I got already. All right. Come on. Give me something good. Big one for the road. 8 times. 40. Oh, I paid $8.40. What did I get? Oh, fires. Campfires. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's 5 retriggers. All right, we need a full screen of Chiefs with multipliers, 15 times multipliers, and I'll go home completely satisfied. Nothing. Queens. Nothing. Come on. We got here 8 times. $1.60. $2. Take it. Like I said, not bad for a 60-cent bet. All right, what the hell just happened? Oh, cash explosion. What's this? Come on, big one. Ah, $10. Hey, I'll take it. Because that's what the dynamite's for. Times 10. Don't tell me it's. All right, what just happened here? Is it times 10 on the $10 or? $6 for the 10s. That must be including the mini bonus up top. I wouldn't consider that a big win, but I'll take it. All right, let's see if we get some more of those. All right, we said some still spins left too. See if we can see if we can break $100. Yeah, I love that sound. One mini bonus one. All right. Let's see if we can break $100. $12 spins left. Come on. Ah. Oh, no. 1 spin left. Well, that's it, folks. Cats Explosion, 60-cent bet. $188 on the, well, let's see. Let's see what final total is. Almost $90 on the bonus. Definitely try this again down the road. Once again, Cats Explosion.